Alright, hi guys. So this is me again. This is Chief TV. So, yeah, let's just get started. We're not reviewing a fidget spinner. Dead memes. Okay, I have a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, this is a new thing on my channel that I have never done. I have never reviewed a Rubik's Cube before, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. A 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and it's 3 layers by 3 layers. Get the box open. Got the package. But here is the Rubik's Cube. It's solved. So let me scramble it. Wait, no. Let me scramble it. Almost done. Look at it. Now it's completely scrambled. Let's solve it, okay? Let's try and solve it. So, awesome. This is really fun. This is really fun to mess with and play around. Yep, this is pretty cool. So that was my first review on the Rubik's Cube. I hope you like it, and bye guys. Hope you had a good day today. Damn, 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 damn. Dab by. All you simply need to do is just dab on them haters. All you need to do is to just dab on them haters. Okay, sis. Bye, guys. Yeah. Okay, bye. Peace. Boing.